Hello guys, Techie Sailor here. Today we are going to be looking at the top 10 apps for Android and iOS. So, let's get started. First up, we have the Access Dots. Now, this is a must-have app for anyone who are concerned about their privacy. This app shows you a notification whenever the phone's camera or microphone is being used. It is obvious that the developer of this app basically got this idea from the iOS 14 feature. And the best thing is that you can check the log to see when and what use the camera and microphone. So that's pretty cool. You can change the color of the notification and their position for free. And you can also set a custom location and change the size of the notification if you purchase the Pro version. So it's customizable to an extent. Next up we have the Dolby On app. Now this is a free recording app for people who want to record songs or do a voiceover to your videos. This looks just like all the other recording apps, but the thing that make it cool is its noise reduction and customization. It records a 3-second room tone in the beginning of each recording to apply noise reduction to the clip you are recording. If you don't know what a room tone is, you can check this video right here to get a better idea of it. And you can also apply or remove noise reduction, tweak the bass and treble, boost the audio sound, and also trim the recording all within a single interface in the app. So that's a lot of customization within your fingertips. And you can do all this pretty easily while previewing the audio recording. Next up we have the Instamox. This is an app designed to customize your screenshots. This app can place your screenshot in any phone mockups and also customize it as well. You can add text, change background, choose from over 40 smartphone mockups available within the app. Here I'll show you an example. This is a screenshot I took on my phone, and you can have this screenshot placed in an iPhone 11, a Samsung S20 Ultra, a Galaxy Fold, a Motorola Razr, or even an Mi 10 and much more. This app lets you take your screenshot to a whole new level of customization. The only drawback that I found is that you don't have a lot of mockups to choose from within the app, but they keep adding more mockups from time to time, so it will come eventually. Next up we have the Snapseed. Now this is a photo editing app by Google and a pretty good one too. It has all the features of a normal easy to use photo editor and also all the features if you want to go professional too. You can add a ton of effects, filters, text, HDR and all that. My favorite feature in this app is called the healing. Healing can remove a certain person or a thing in your photo easily with just a swipe by combining the background around the thing that you want to remove. It does take some time to master it, but it is a pretty cool feature to have within the app. Want to know a cool fact? The Google Play Store has over 3 million apps in its store. And if you are enjoying this video by the way, consider subscribing because that will be a huge help. Now on to next one. Next up we have the ActuFlow. Now this is an app which might seem strange to a lot of people, but it is a necessity for a lot of other people as well. We all have that instances when we unlock the phone while working or studying to reply to an email or message or a notification you got, but ending up looking through Facebook, Instagram and then watching videos on YouTube and stuff like that. That is where this app is beneficial. This app asks you a question every time you unlock your phone as to why you are unlocking the phone and also set a time limit to remind you as well. It can seem like a dumb thing for some people, but this is for those people who are working towards self-development and self-discipline. This app keeps a log of the time you unlocked your phone and for how long you used the phone as well. Now this app is all about being honest with yourself. And there is also a dismiss button if you are in a hurry to open your phone as well. Next up we have the Noteasy. This is a notification manager app which will save all your notifications for you to review them later. This is a great notification manager because of all the features it provides, like saving notifications, blocking notifications from a single or multiple apps with a single tap, its customizability like changing app colors or text size, and the best one is reading messages privately without a red mark, which is supported in WhatsApp, Messenger, Telegram, Instagram, and 5 more chat apps. So yes, if you are not in the mood to reply to a person's message, you can read it unofficially in this app, and then when you have the mood, you can go to the app and reply to it officially. This app is really convenient as it separates message notifications from chat applications in a separate space, and there is also a favorite space where you can add your favorite apps from which you want to receive the notifications from. You can create custom spaces also, like for all the shopping apps or for the games, etc. So yes, this is a feature packed app to use. Next up, we have the Brave private browser. This might be the best browser in the Android space according to my opinion. This is a secure, free private browser and a pop-up blocker. The best thing about this browser is its privacy features. They are top notch. It basically stops ads and trackers from collecting your browsing information. You might have noticed that when you search for a product online or in any shopping app, and then when you are browsing the internet, you basically see ads of this product that you were searching for. Well, that can be avoided with this browser. This browser ends that with its privacy features by stopping the ads in its tracks, and also saves you data as it is not loading any ads, and since there is no data wasted in loading ads, your browsing is faster too. You can also watch ads which respects your privacy and earn credits which you can send to the creators as a bonus. It even shows you how much ads were blocked, how much data it saved, and how much time it saved as well. So definitely go check this out. Next up, we have the Lumosity. This can be labeled as an app as well as a game. This is a brain training app with a lot of workouts for your brain. But most of the workouts are paid and it is a little too expensive, but you don't need to pay anything for the 3 free workouts you get daily, and that is all you need. Every day it provides you with 3 challenges, and yes, these challenges are awesome and definitely a brain trainer. You can set your own record and then try again to be better than you were. This app also provides detailed stats about your speed of thinking, memory, attention, and all sorts of stuff. So try it and include it as a daily routine to give your brain a jiggle. Next up, we have the Live Drops. Live Drop is basically a live wallpaper app and a pretty good one too. It has a lot of cool live wallpapers and applying them is super easy too. You also have the option to download these wallpapers also. It has wallpapers from a lot of categories like nature, anime, gaming, Naruto, and there is even a category known as dope in it, which is really cool. You can apply these to your home screen as well as your lock screen. Next up, we have the Sound Launcher. Now this is a launcher app which can be used to launch any app or shortcut from any screen at no time. With this app, you can basically just swipe from the right of the screen to quickly access an app or a group of apps. You can add categories of apps to launch like a main, then a games to easily launch it. This action will work even if you are within another app, and also you can customize the menu which appears while swiping. You can also set the swipe action to any side of your phone. Next up, we have a bonus app since you all decided to bear with me for this long. It is called the Reface app. In this app, you can crop the face of a person you want and then add the same face to a pre-existing video GIF on the app. It is really fun and interesting, and there is a lot of video GIFs within the app and you can share it to any social media platform. So that's it for today guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give a thumbs up if you liked it and definitely subscribe if you want to see more videos. So take care.